Oh wow, who doesn't enjoy the delightful feeling of clunky, greasy cuticle oils smothering their hands, right? Said no one ever. I tried Cuccio's Cuticle Revitalizing oil, just out of curiosity, and boom, game changer. My dry, sad little nails now look like I actually care about them. It's lightweight, melts right in, and screams, "Hey, I'm awesome," while being 100% parabens free. Yeah, no nasty stuff here. Imagine having salon quality nails without stepping foot in a salon. Crazy, huh? And it's only $9.28, like less than my coffee run. Seriously guys, try it. Click add to cart, treat your nails to some real love. You won't regret it, promise.